Modern alpha hop breeding has to deliver more than simply high alpha content. The hops have to be built around climate resilience, reliability, and performance.
So anytime you can come with something that is more consistent, more sustainable, and higher yielding, that is a clear merit-based decision, really an objective decision. That's really a numbers game in alpha.
Introducing Terra Alpha hops, the hop breeding company's new platform for the next generation of high-performing alpha varieties. Leading the platform is TerraSurge, the commercial identity for HBC 1325.
I think the most exciting things on TerraSurge is its consistency, performance in the field, which is going to translate to consistency in brewing, and that's what we see. That just creates stability in the hop market for the entire business, brewers, farmers, merchants, is stability. And it is a breakthrough. And what's nice is it's used every tool that we use in breeding, from high tech to low tech. Everything has been folded in to get to this variety. It kind of represents all the changes we've made recently using new processes, new technology. When you focus sustainability to yield, it's basically you get these pounds of hops with the same level of, or even reduced inputs. That's the key thing to focus on with sustainability.
Alongside TerraSurge comes TerraFlux, the new commercial identity for HBC 682, a proven performer entering the Terra Alpha family.
So HBC 682, which is now going to be TerraFlux, it's now been grown for well over 10 years. So it's a really known quantity already in the brewing industry. It's really known for really nice clean bittering. On the farm level, it's got really great disease resistance, especially powdery mildew and two-spot mite. Innovation is a buzzword, but we have to ask ourselves, is it truly an innovation or is it just new? And that's why I say with this new Terra series, especially TerraSurge, this is bringing value. This is honestly, truly a breakthrough and adding a lot to the whole chain of the business.